to greet a happy birthday to my big bro, uh, J Ping, no? Si Joel Dublin, guys, no? Thank you so much pala sa pagiging mabait mo sa amin family, and to our team Yahoo. Yan ang pinaka the best doon na pinagsamahan natin. Maraming salamat, at again, enjoy your day, and happy birthday to you, big bro. Ingat ka dyan.
Hi, kapatid na Jiping. Isang pagbati sa iyo. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Three Kings, and most of all is happy birthday. I wish you today you are so blessed, and the Lord will always keep you and guide you kung saan ka man laging naroroon sa iyong trabaho, sa iyong pagbiyahe. Sana ay lagi kang safe. At sa bawat araw na iyong mga ginagawa, don't forget to pray always na maging safe ka. Again, from the Team Yahoo PH groups, we wish you happy birthday and more years to come in your life. More blessings, and God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear brother. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, J-Ping. God bless you. Sending my wishes from India. Hope you are healthy, wealthy there, and I pray to God always for your well-being, for your good health, for your good wealth, always. And you, me, and all Team Yahoo PH is blessed to have you in our life, and from my side, you are always strong supporter of my from Malaysia, from Philippines. So you have a very nice place in my heart, and as your sister, I always want to meet you as soon as possible. So hope you will come, or maybe I will come there to meet. And for you, single word, that you are very hard working. I always watch you in your videos when you are working hard work there, and you are a true example how you maintain your life, your personal life, your professional life. And by the channels I always watch you. So it's your special day, and you are very special for us, for me, for Annalisa, for me, for we all, and hope never forget me. So happy birthday always. Thank you, miss you, take care, and be my brother. Love you, miss you. Bye bye, J-Ping. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my brother. Happy birthday to you. J-Ping, miss you. Bye-bye.
Hello! Kumusta kayong lahat? May gusto lang akong batiin sa kanyang kaarawan. Walang iba kundi si Joel Dublin, or in YouTube, isa siya si Jiping. Ayan, Ping. Ping, 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 ping. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. So, wish ko lang na mag-ingat ka lang dyan sa iyong trabaho. More birthdays to come. Naway you're always in a good health with your family, with your loved ones. And also, keep going lang, idol, sa YouTube. Alam ko, malapit ka ng mamonetize siguro. So, keep going lang. Huwag kang susuko hanggat makuha mo na ang requirements ni Lolo. So, I'm very proud na kasali ka sa aming fundings. So far, this is our 3rd year in funding. Ayan. So, salamat sa trust mo sa ating money keeper na si Ray Navarro, or si Macri Mix Vlog, and also si Jessie Channel. So, sila yung naghawak ngayon sa funds. So, maraming salamat talaga. Very happy kami na nandyan ka sa aming team. So, happy birthday na lang dyan. Ingat ka lagi. Alam ko, marami ka pang gustong abutin. Kaya, pagpatuloy mo ang iyong magandang kalooban. Happy birthday, Jiping! PH to KL TV!